I miss islands.
Me too.
I think it's still one of my favourites.
Yeah.
Alright.
I
Egypt
think
it
everyone's
is.
choosing the new ones.
Mm.
Yeah.
Everyone's just choosing the new ones. I do not want to purchase a bat. Why would I spend real money buying a bat?
Gazoo.
Okay.
Egypt. Game
A Riftnado.
with pink box.
Okay.
I'm going there. I'm going there.
I like going inside the pyramids. I reckon that's cool. Oh. Fire extinguisher. Probably have no reason to use one of them.
What's this?
I'd love to see this place
What's
in real
this
life.
says?
It's probably in Arabic. It's not in English. I'd like to know what it says too. I reckon that'd be cool. Look at this person right up the top.
Hi, remember?
I'd better come down again. I'm going to get in a lot of trouble if I go out of bounds. I've given up finding the shelter key. There's too many people. I don't really know where I'm going.
I sound like fox in the shop.
Yeah. I do like looking in here. Oh, there's plenty of people.
Rain! Take shelter, guys.
I'm assuming you're not safe in a pyramid. The tornado can probably still get you. There it goes. Everything's going to go pink.
I might hide under a tree.
I don't like this.
I hiding
please
under
no.
a tree. I hiding under a tree. I hiding under a tree.
I'm going to get this penalty again. What? Oh, I think I'm having a bad day. Okay.
I think you need to take shelter.
I've got this weird feeling I am not on the map. Or I am. Okay. Okay. Well, that was close. Oh, man. I just did the same mistake. I want to come down.
No way, you dead. You dead.
It's weird. Sometimes you jump and it takes you out of bounds, and sometimes you're fine.
Why you can die out of bounds?
Can you swim in this? Oh, oops. I thought that was water. It's not. Okay.
Ooh.
What's this? Can you climb in it? No?
What's that?
Okay.
Tree. Oh,
What's in there?
nothing.
Where's this tornado? It's not very strong. Is it? It's not strong.
It's pollution again.
Just what?
Pollution. Again.
Really?
Yeah.
You know, I'm just gonna scare them. So sharp. I'm just going to be
Choose a
extra mean.
tsunami.
No, I'm just going to choose a bomb and no one's going to know about it. Except you, because I just told you. That's me just being a jerk.
And I want a tsunami too. I want to see how dark is a tsunami.
No, don't summon anything. We don't know what the queue's like. It could be ages. I'm just... I probably won't get to see my bomb. Because we're going to be finishing in a minute. Got 2 left. People really are only summoning the 3 new disasters, aren't they? pollution, alien invasion, and black hole.
I might kill some like black hole.
Oh, the pollution one's a bit fun though, because it does make you move quick. I think they need to make it quicker though.
Someone just found a key.
Someone just found a key. Oh. Good for them.
It's him. He go to the shelter. But I saw him. I don't want to follow you.
I'm just trying to find this plane.
Want to be somewhere. There it is. Hello there.
Yeah?
I feel like I'm need to
Okay.
I got one. I got one. And you got one. Nice.
Now I'm going to take this off. Because the last couple of times I've jumped so high. I have been. I jump out of the map. I don't know why I'm doing that. So maybe I just need to have a little... I wish I could just sit. I could crawl. I could do this. Kind of a bit boring once you've got your mask. It is fun having to try and find your mask though. Look at all these people. That's sad.
Empty.
They must have missed out.
Empty. Everyone can breathe.
Oops. You meant to do that. Okay.
My people survive pollution. Maybe 12? 9. Some too late.